Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to CC in Gmail. The CC field, which stands for carbon copy, lets you send a copy of your email to additional recipients while allowing everyone to see who else received the message. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Next, click the Compose button in the top left corner. A new message window will appear. In the To field, enter the primary recipient's email address. Now, click CC on the right side of the To field. A new CC field will appear. Enter the email address or addresses of the people you want to copy on the email. You can add multiple recipients by separating each email address with a comma or by selecting them from your contacts. Next, enter a subject for your email. Type your message in the email body. Once you're ready, click Send. The email will be delivered to both the primary recipient and everyone listed in the CC field. All recipients will be able to see the email addresses of everyone included in the To and CC fields. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to CC in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides.